Limited spotter activation may be requested through tonight if there appears to be any tornado threat. The National Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a flash flood warning for Navarro County in north central Texas until 7:45 p.m. At 4:38 p.m., emergency management reported secondary roads across the county were beginning to flood, and additional heavy rainfall across the warned area will result in flooding and flash flooding. Some locations that will experience flooding include Corsicana, Kearns, Trinidad, Blooming Grove, Dawson, Angus, Berry, Navarro, Rice, Frost, Retreat, Oak Valley, Mildred, Eureka, Richland, Streetman, Goodloe, Powell, Emhouse, and Mertens. Turnaround, don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. The hazardous weather outlook through tonight for North Texas.